In this video, you'll learn how to connect to PayPal to your eBay account. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked your PayPal account, enabling easier transactions for buying and selling on eBay. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, which is typically found in the drop-down menu under your username at the top right corner of the page. After selecting account settings, look for the section labeled Payment Options or the Payments tab. Click on the button that says Link PayPal to initiate the connection process. It is important to ensure that your PayPal account is active and verified to avoid any issues during this process. Next, you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Carefully input this information as it must match the email registered with PayPal. After entering your email, you will follow the prompts to log into PayPal securely. During this step, eBay will request confirmation that it can access your PayPal account for transactions. This access is crucial for ensuring that payments can be processed smoothly when you engage in buying, or once you have entered your PayPal details, it is essential to review the linked accounts for accuracy. This verification helps prevent any errors that could disrupt your payment processing. Make sure that the email address you provided is correct and that you have not missed any steps in the process. A properly linked account will facilitate seamless transactions, making your experience on eBay more efficient. After linking your PayPal account, eBay may send you a confirmation email. If prompted, verify your account by clicking on the link provided in that email. Once you have confirmed the connection, return to your eBay account settings and check that PayPal appears as a payment option. If you want to ensure everything is functioning correctly, consider making a small transaction as a test. Keeping records of this connection is advisable for future reference to ensure all payments flow correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.